Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language in Clash Royale application using your mobile device. To change the language setting in Clash Royale, first of all, open up the Clash Royale application on your device, and once you're inside this main screen, tap on the hamburger menu appearing at the top right. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on the Language option. From the list of languages available, scroll through the list and select your preferred language you want to change to. Click on OK in the pop-up and the game will automatically update to the selected language. So that's how you easily change the language setting in Clash Royale. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.